Hi everyone. Welcome to the world of maritime adventures and scientific discoveries. Today, we'll take you on a journey to explore one of the most iconic research vessels in history, Calypso, the ship of the legendary Jacques Cousteau. This extraordinary vessel became a symbol of ocean exploration and transformed our understanding of the underwater world. We'll delve into its fascinating history, uncover the secrets of its unique design, and share captivating stories from the expeditions that inspired millions around the globe. In this video, we'll also take a detailed look at the structure, design, and plans of the Calypso. These insights will not only enhance your appreciation of this remarkable ship but also provide valuable guidance for anyone looking to create a model of the Calypso. Get ready to dive into a story of history, science, and the spirit of true adventure. The journey of Calypso, from Minesweeper to maritime legend. Calypso began her life as a minesweeper, constructed by the Ballard Marine Railway Company in Seattle, Washington, USA. Initially built for the United States Navy during World War II, she was part of the Lend-Lease program and destined for the British Royal Navy. These vessels, known as British Yard Minesweepers, followed the same design as the US Navy's Yard Minesweepers. Crews assigned to BIM's ships often faced challenging journeys. British sailors would travel to the United States, frequently aboard the fast and unescorted RMS Queen Mary, to take possession of their ships. Once on board, they undertook the daunting task of navigating their small vessels back across the Atlantic Ocean, often braving harsh winter conditions. Calypso was a wooden-hulled ship constructed from Oregon pine. She was classified as a yard minesweeper, BYMS, Mark I class and laid down on August 12, 1941, under the yard designation BIMS 26. She was launched on March 21, 1942, and officially entered service with the Royal Navy in February 1943 as HMS J826. Assigned to the Mediterranean Sea and based in Malta, she played an active role during the war. In 1944, her designation was updated to BIMS 2026. After World War II, Calypso was decommissioned in July 1946 and laid up in Malta. On August 1, 1947, she was formally returned to the US Navy and subsequently removed from the US Naval Register. In May 1949, the ship's journey took a new turn. She was purchased by Joseph Gasson of Malta, who had secured a contract to operate a ferry service between Marfu in northern Malta and Magar on the island of Gozo. Renamed Calypso G, after the mythical nymph Calypso, whose island of Ogygia was associated with Gozo, she was converted into a ferry and began service in March 1950. However, her time on this route was short-lived. After just 4 months, Gasson received an attractive offer and sold the vessel, setting the stage for her next chapter as a vessel of exploration and discovery. In July 1950, British millionaire and former Member of Parliament Thomas Lowell Guinness purchased Calypso. Demonstrating remarkable generosity, he leased the ship to Jacques Cousteau for the symbolic sum of £1 per year. However, Guinness set 2 specific conditions. Cousteau was never to request financial support from him, and his identity as the ship's benefactor was to remain a secret, a fact only revealed after Cousteau's passing. Under Cousteau's visionary leadership, Calypso underwent a complete transformation. She was restructured and equipped to serve as a state-of-the-art expedition vessel, diving support base, and floating platform for oceanographic research and filmmaking. A pioneer in underwater exploration, Cousteau used Calypso as the foundation for some of the earliest underwater films and for producing the iconic television series The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau, which captivated audiences worldwide and brought the mysteries of the ocean into millions of homes. Jacques Cousteau's iconic ship, Calypso, underwent two major modernizations to adapt to the evolving demands of ocean exploration. The initial modernization, spanning 1950 to 1951, marked the ship's evolution from a humble ferry into a state-of-the-art expedition vessel. Equipped with diving platforms, specialized laboratories, and underwater filming technology, Calypso became a floating hub for oceanographic research. This transformation allowed Cousteau and his team to pioneer new techniques in underwater exploration. In the decades that followed, Calypso was continuously upgraded to keep pace with advancing technology. From the 1960s to the 1980s, innovations included sophisticated hydroacoustic systems, enhanced deep-sea cameras, and a revolutionary diving saucer, the SP-350 Denise. The addition of a compact helipad and improved propulsion systems further extended the ship's range and capabilities, enabling unparalleled expeditions into the unknown. The ship remained in active use until an unfortunate accident in 1996, after which it was never restored to full functionality. Now, let's dive into the fascinating history of Calypso's upgrades, each one bringing us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the ocean depths. After acquiring the vessel, Cousteau embarked on extensive modifications to transform it from a ferry into an oceanographic research ship. The modifications undertaken between 1950 and 1951 were groundbreaking and laid the foundation for Calypso's legendary status in ocean exploration. One of the additions was the diving platform, installed at the stern of the ship. This platform serving as both a launch point and a recovery zone for divers. Designed with practicality in mind, it provided a stable and accessible area for deploying diving equipment and supporting underwater missions. The workshop and laboratory were compact yet highly functional spaces, intended to support oceanographic research and sample analysis. These facilities were critical for processing and studying data collected during expeditions. The laboratory was used for analyzing and storing samples. It was equipped with microscopes and instruments for measuring salinity, temperature, and other physical or chemical properties of the collected specimens. It also included space for documentation, writing reports, or sketching observations. The workshop was dedicated to the maintenance and repair of diving gear, cameras, and other expedition equipment. It featured shelves and compartments for spare parts, tools, and essential supplies, ensuring easy access to necessary items. The workshop and laboratory were located directly behind the wheelhouse. This strategic placement provided quick access to both the navigation center and the deck areas used for diving and scientific activities. A dedicated film equipment storage area was another key innovation. This space safeguarded Cousteau's invaluable filmmaking gear, enabling him to document the underwater world like never before. Custom-built compartments and padded racks protected cameras, lenses, and underwater lighting equipment from damage during rough seas. The storage area also included temperature-controlled containers for film reels, ensuring their preservation in challenging maritime conditions. By isolating this area from moisture and vibrations, Cousteau ensured his equipment was always ready for use, whether capturing marine life in stunning detail or chronicling the pioneering expeditions that would captivate audiences worldwide. In 1959, Calypso received a significant enhancement. This upgrade involved the installation of a small underwater observation chamber located in the bow of the ship, a feature that would become a cornerstone of Cousteau's groundbreaking work in marine research. The chamber, seamlessly integrated into the ship's structure, was designed to provide scientists with an unparalleled view of the underwater world. Its position in the bow allowed researchers to observe marine life directly from within the ship, creating an immersive experience while maintaining the safety and convenience of onboard operations. Reinforced with thick, pressure-resistant glass, the chamber featured a wide porthole that offered a clear and expansive view of the ocean below. Scientists could witness the vibrant activity of coral reefs, the graceful movement of fish, and the mysteries of deeper waters, all without ever leaving the comfort of the vessel. This innovation was not just a marvel of engineering but also a crucial tool for research. The observation chamber allowed for real-time study and documentation of marine ecosystems, offering a unique perspective that complemented traditional diving methods. The addition of the bow-mounted chamber also proved invaluable for Cousteau's film projects. It enabled the team to capture striking footage of underwater life, blending scientific discovery with cinematic artistry. These captivating scenes would later inspire audiences worldwide, igniting a passion for ocean conservation and exploration. In 1961, Calypso underwent a groundbreaking upgrade with the addition of a helicopter deck, a modification that significantly expanded the vessel's capabilities. Strategically positioned on the aft section of the ship, the deck was specifically designed to support the Schweitzer S-300 helicopter. The Schweitzer S-300's lightweight construction and compact size made it ideal for landing and taking off from Calypso's small deck, even under challenging sea conditions. With a range of approximately 200 miles, the S-300 extended the team's ability to scout remote areas and identify key sites for exploration. While compact, the helicopter was capable of carrying lightweight scientific instruments and retrieving samples from isolated locations. The helicopter enabled the team to explore areas far beyond the ship's reach, from tracking migrating marine species to surveying coral reefs and identifying submerged geological features. In addition to its scientific contributions, the helicopter played a vital role in logistics. It facilitated the rapid transport of personnel, equipment, and supplies to and from remote islands or research sites, ensuring the efficiency of Cousteau's expeditions. Its unique vantage point brought audiences stunning aerial footage, showcasing its boundless beauty and fragility. The addition of the helicopter deck and the Schweitzer S-300 embodied Jacques Cousteau's visionary approach to exploration. By integrating air, sea, and underwater capabilities, Calypso became a truly versatile research vessel, capable of reaching places and uncovering mysteries that would have otherwise remained hidden. In 1965, Calypso was equipped with one of its most innovative tools for underwater exploration, the diving saucer SP-350. This remarkable addition was a compact, two-person submersible, designed by Jacques Cousteau and engineer Jean Mollard. With its streamlined design resembling a flying saucer, the SP-350 was engineered for agility and precision. Its circular shape allowed it to maneuver easily underwater, even in tight spaces like coral reefs and shipwrecks. The diving saucer was capable of reaching an impressive depth of 1,148 feet, 350 meters, providing researchers access to previously inaccessible underwater environments. The submersible was designed to accommodate a pilot and a researcher, with a domed observation window providing a panoramic view of the surrounding marine life. The SP-350 featured electric thrusters, enabling it to glide silently through the water without disturbing marine ecosystems. Equipped with powerful underwater lights, the diving saucer could illuminate the dark ocean depths. The SP-350 was equipped with a manipulator arm, enabling interaction with the underwater environment. The manipulator was a mechanical arm, crafted from corrosion-resistant materials. The arm had multiple joints and a claw-like gripping mechanism, allowing it to reach, grasp, and manipulate objects with precision. The range of motion enabled operations in various angles and positions, even in tight or complex environments. Operated from within the SP-350's cockpit, the manipulator was controlled using intuitive levers and joysticks. A camera mounted near the arm provided real-time visuals for precise operation, even in low visibility conditions. The SP-350 wasn't just a tool, it was a gateway to the unknown. It allowed humanity to see the mysterious world beneath the waves like never before. For Cousteau, the diving saucer symbolized his mission, to explore, understand, and protect the ocean. In the early 1970s, Calypso was outfitted with cutting-edge side-scan sonar technology, marking a significant leap in its oceanographic capabilities. This advanced system allowed researchers to map the sea floor with unprecedented detail by emitting sound waves that created high-resolution images of underwater terrain. Mounted on the ship, the sonar could cover wide swaths of the ocean floor, revealing geological formations, shipwrecks, and other submerged features. During the 1970s, Calypso underwent significant upgrades to its diving equipment, enhancing its ability to support deep-sea exploration. The advancements included state-of-the-art scuba gear tailored for extended dives and increased depths. One of the key upgrades was the installation of a modernized compression chamber. This vital piece of equipment ensured the safety of divers by enabling precise decompression after prolonged or deep dives, effectively reducing the risk of decompression sickness. The chamber also facilitated more ambitious underwater projects, as divers could work longer at greater depths, confident in their safety. In the 1980s, Calypso was outfitted with cutting-edge film and lighting equipment. The new equipment included high-resolution underwater cameras capable of functioning at extreme depths. These cameras were complemented by powerful, waterproof lighting systems, which illuminated even the darkest reaches of the ocean, revealing stunning marine landscapes and the behaviors of deep-sea creatures in ways never seen before. In 1985, Calypso took a significant leap forward in ocean exploration with the addition of a remotely operated vehicle, or ROV. This innovative tool expanded the ship's capabilities, allowing for deeper, more detailed investigations of underwater environments without risking human divers. The ROV was developed by French Research Institute for Exploitation of the Sea, a renowned organization specializing in marine technology and research. The project was spearheaded by engineer Michel Lecomte, a pioneer in underwater vehicle design. The ROV was capable of descending to depths of up to 3,000 meters, approximately 9,800 feet, allowing it to access environments far beyond the reach of human divers. It was equipped with high-definition cameras, advanced LED and halogen lighting systems, and an array of sensors to measure temperature, salinity, pressure, and other critical parameters, contributing valuable data to scientific studies. The robotic arms were capable of precise movements, enabling it to collect samples, manipulate underwater objects, and perform intricate tasks. Additionally, it featured multiple thrusters, allowing for precise maneuverability in complex underwater environments, including strong currents and confined spaces. The ROV's design and capabilities underscored a blend of French innovation and Cousteau's relentless drive to push the boundaries of marine exploration. In 1990, the legendary vessel Calypso underwent extensive restoration and maintenance to ensure its continued role in ocean exploration. These efforts were not just about preserving the ship but about preparing it for future adventures in marine research. The restoration addressed critical structural components, including reinforcing the hull and upgrading the engine systems. The deck was overhauled, and key facilities, like the laboratories and diving areas, were modernized to meet the evolving needs of scientific expeditions. Additionally, the restoration included a fresh coat of paint and improvements to the living quarters, providing a comfortable space for the crew during long missions at sea. In 1996, the iconic research vessel Calypso faced a tragic accident. While docked in Singapore, the ship was accidentally rammed by a barge. The collision caused significant damage, and Calypso quickly began to sink, eventually resting partially submerged in the harbor. This devastating incident marked the end of its active service as a research vessel. Efforts to salvage and restore Calypso began almost immediately. The ship was recovered from the water and transported to France, where it awaited repairs. However, financial and logistical challenges delayed the refitting process for years. Despite these hurdles, plans for restoration continued to surface throughout the late 1990s and 2000s, driven by the Cousteau Society's vision to preserve Calypso as a museum ship and educational symbol. Between 2007 and 2010, various attempts were made to secure funding and begin full-scale repairs. These included proposals to modernize the ship while staying true to its historical significance. However, disagreements over costs and the scope of restoration slowed progress. Though the restoration faced setbacks, Calypso's legacy endured. It remained a powerful symbol of Jacques Cousteau's pioneering spirit and the importance of ocean conservation. The Calypso has inspired several famous models throughout the years, with replicas and scale models created by maritime enthusiasts, museums, and collectors. Here are some of the most notable models of the Calypso. At the headquarters of the Cousteau Society in Paris, a life-sized model of the Calypso is on display. Though not an exact replica, this model serves as an iconic representation of the ship and the vessel's impact on oceanographic research. The model showcases the Calypso as it appeared during its heyday and highlights the equipment used by Cousteau's team during their missions. Visitors can explore a detailed walkthrough of the ship's unique features, and the model is a focal point for exhibitions dedicated to ocean conservation and exploration. In La Rochelle, France, a significant replica of the Calypso is displayed at the viewport. This model serves as a permanent tribute to Jacques Cousteau, especially in a location that holds deep maritime significance. Although this replica is not a functioning vessel, it reflects the historical essence of the ship and the exploration missions that took place aboard it. One of the most accurate and detailed models of Calypso is the 1:100 scale model. This highly detailed replica is often displayed in maritime museums and serves as a learning tool for those interested in the history of ocean exploration. The model is known for its precise depiction of the ship's various features, including the iconic blue and yellow color scheme, the diving platform, and the laboratory spaces used for research. The 1:100 scale model of the Calypso is often displayed in various maritime museums around the world. However, one of the most notable places where such a model can be found is the Musée de la Marine in Paris, France. The Calypso model at the Oceanographic Museum of Monaco is one of the most iconic representations of Jacques Cousteau's famous ship. Located in the heart of Monaco, this museum is dedicated to marine sciences and the legacy of Cousteau's oceanographic work. The museum often exhibits other artifacts from Cousteau's expeditions, making it a key destination for those interested in his work and the history of ocean exploration. These models are more than just representations of a ship, they stand as symbols of exploration, scientific discovery, and environmental preservation. The legacy of Calypso lives on in these models, each one a tribute to the groundbreaking work done by Jacques Cousteau and his team. Thanks for watching.